The Lloyd's of London asbestos crisis became one of the largest insurance disasters of the late 20th century. During the 1960-1980s, Lloyd's syndicates aggressively insured U.S. companies against industrial liabilities, including asbestos exposure, often without fully understanding the long-term medical and legal risks. When courts later expanded liability rules and asbestos-related diseases surged, claims exploded into tens of billions of dollars. The crisis is often remembered as a series of avoidable common-sense failures. Ignoring delayed risk. Asbestos diseases can take decades to appear, yet many underwriters treated policies as short-term profitable business without considering long-tail liabilities. Overconfidence in historical data. Lloyd's relied heavily on past claims experience, even though the legal environment and medical evidence were rapidly changing. Poor transparency. Many individual investors, names, were not fully aware of the scale of potential losses they were backing with unlimited liability. Inadequate diversification. Syndicates concentrated exposure in similar liability risk instead of spreading risk broadly. Failure to challenge assumptions. Warning signs about asbestos dangers existed for years, but the market culture rewarded premium growth more than skepticism. Weak governance and oversight. Complex syndicate structures made accountability diffuse, allowing risky practices to continue too long. The fallout nearly collapsed parts of the Lloyd's market in the early 1990s, bankrupted many names, and forced major reforms, including the creation of equities to ring-fence old liabilities and the shift toward corporate capital with limited liability. The episode is now widely studied as a lesson in how institutional optimism, complexity, and incentives can override basic risk awareness. Analyze the example. Which supports and barriers were in play? What were the dynamics? Who or what won the tug-of-war? Discuss the outcome with your friends and family. Use post 4 as a reference for the relationships and dynamics between supports and barriers.